Learn one Chinese character, unlock 10 useful words, and grow your Chinese world. Today, let's continue our Time and Season series. We're learning the character Qiu. What does this character mean at its core? At its core, the character Qiu represents autumn, the season of harvest, when crops ripen and leaves turn golden. How did this character evolve over time? The character Qiu has a poetic origin. In its earliest oracle bone form, it was depicted as a cricket or an insect with long antennae, because crickets chirp in autumn, signaling the arrival of the season. Later, the character was simplified and combined with he, representing ripened crops, and huo, possibly referring to the practice of burning fields after harvest or the red color of autumn leaves. This combination captures the essence of autumn, a time when grains are ripe and the landscape is painted in fiery hues. The character Qiu has a left-right structure. It consists of two main components. The left part is a variant of he, meaning grain or standing crops. The right part is a radical of huo, meaning fire. Together, these components create the image of grain in fire colors, a vivid metaphor for autumn harvest and the red and gold foliage of the season. How do we write the character Qiu? Following the left to right writing rule, start with the left part. Write he on the left of the grid with the stroke order, a left falling stroke, then horizontal, vertical, left falling, and finally a dot. Then write huo on the right. Start with a dot on the top left, then right falling stroke on the top right, left falling stroke, and finally a dot on the bottom right. Did you get it right? Let's practice reading it. It is pronounced in the first tone. Repeat after me. Qiu, Qiu, Qiu. Let's unlock 10 useful words from this character. 秋天 means autumn, commonly used in daily conversation. 秋季 means autumn season, often used in formal contexts. 秋日 means autumn days, often used in written or poetic language. 立秋 means the beginning of autumn, one of the 24 solar terms marking the start of autumn. 秋收 means autumn harvest. 秋风 means autumn wind. 秋色 means autumn scenery or colors of autumn, refers to the natural beauty of autumn, especially changing leaves. 秋游 means autumn outing or autumn trip. 秋千 means swing. 秋水 means autumn waters, often used in poetic language to describe clear and calm water. These words all relate to autumn and things associated with it. Let's look at a fun story behind this character. In China, there is a very important holiday in autumn called the Mid-Autumn Festival, Zhongqiujie. The Mid-Autumn Festival falls on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month, right in the middle of autumn. That's why it's called Mid-Autumn Festival. But there's a beautiful legend behind this holiday, the story of Chang'e and Hou Yi. A long time ago, there were 10 suns in the sky. They took turns rising, but one day, all 10 appeared together. The earth was scorched, rivers dried up, and people suffered. A heroic archer named Hou Yi climbed to the top of Mount Kunlun, drew his bow, and shot down 9 of the suns. He saved the world. As a reward, the Queen Mother of the West gave him an elixir of immortality. Whoever drank it would fly to the moon and live forever. Ho-yi didn't want to leave his beloved wife, Chang-e, so he asked her to keep the elixir safe. One day, a wicked apprentice broke into their home while Ho-yi was away. He tried to force Chang-e to give him the elixir. With no time to think, Chang-e took the elixir herself and swallowed it. Immediately, she floated into the sky and flew all the way to the moon. When Ho-yi returned and learned what happened, he was heartbroken. He ran outside and looked up at the night sky. He saw that the moon was especially bright and round that night, and he thought he could see the shape of his wife on it. From then on, Ho-yi would place mooncakes, yuebing, on a table every year on that day, hoping to see his wife on the moon. This is said to be the origin of the Mid-Autumn Festival. On this day, family members who cannot be together miss each other deeply. They look at the same moon from different places, eat mooncakes, and send their thoughts and longing to their loved ones. Did you learn this character today? More interesting character lessons are on the way. Follow us and learn one Chinese character a day to build your Chinese world.